Okay. We learn colors in Chinese. Black is hazel. Black is hazel. Brown is Zhengse. Brown is Zhengse. White is Baizi. White is Baizi. Black is hazel. Black is hazel. Brown is Zhengse. Brown is Zhengse. White is Baizi. White is Baizi. Black is hazel. Brown is Zhengse. White is Baizi. Okay. White, yes.
White.
It's white.
White.
Yes, white. White is
White. White.
Baizi. Baizi. Oh, give me color. What color? White. Baizi. Give me color. Baizi. Give me Baizi color. Yes! Bicycle! It's white. Good job. Yes. How about Zhengse? Color Zhengse. What color in English? The Zhengse? It's what? It's brown. Give me color Zhengse. Zhengse, give me. Wow, good job. It's brown Zhengse. Good job. Oh, how about black? Black is hazel. Black is hazel. Give me black. Give me hazel. Now you give me hazy color. Hazel, hazel. It's not hazel color. What hazel? Black is hazel. Black is hazel. Oh, where is black? Hazel color. Give mommy hazel color.
Nice.
Nice. Yes, it's nice. Zhengse is nice. And it's gold.
Nice.
Yes, nice gold. It's a Zhengse. Zhengse gold. It's a dog. Brown dog. Oh, where is hazel? Give me hazel color. Give me hazel color, Yuhan. Ihan. Hazel color. What color is hazel in English? It's black. Black is hazel. Black is hazel. Yes, it's hazel. Give me black. Give me black. Say it. Give me hazel. Give me hazel. Oh, give me hazel. Hazel. Wow, this one have black. It's correct. It's hazel color. Good job. How about this one? What color? It's hazel and baizi.